Let's see this example. A child has 4 pockets and 3 marbles. In how many ways can the child put the marbles in the pockets? So a child has 4 pockets and he's having 3 marbles. So in how many ways can the child put the marbles in the pockets? Means a child will, he takes out each marble, each of the 3 given marbles, each marble, and thinks about in which pocket he has to keep, and thinks about in which pocket he can keep. Means for this how many choices he is having. So he takes out each marble. Say marbles are here m1, m2, m3, 3 marbles let us consider. Now each marble, he has taken the first marble and he starts thinking about in which pocket. So how many pockets are there? 4 pockets, p1, p2, p3 and p4. 4 pockets are there. So for m1 marble, means for the marble one, how many choices he is having? Either he can put in pocket 1, or he can put in pocket 2, or he can put in pocket 3, or he can put in pocket 4. So he is having 4 choices for the marble one. Has 4 choices each. Similarly, for marble 2 also, he is having 4 choices. Either he can keep in pocket 1 or pocket 2 or pocket 3 or pocket 4. And we may have some doubt that if already one pocket is filled with one marble, so we cannot keep the second marble with any the where he kept it. No. So in how many ways can the child put the marbles in the pockets? Means he can keep any number of marbles. So in the first pocket he can keep all the three marbles, m1, m2, m3. He may keep in pocket 1, or he may keep m1 here, m2 here and m3 here, like any different ways we can try. But he's having the choice of first marble 4 ways, and again, and after keeping that first marble in any of the pockets, now he is having the second marble. So there is no choice for this, it's compulsory to think about the second marble. And again he's having 4 choices, so whereby he can keep in any one of the pocket. And again third marble is also having 4 choices. So each marble having 4 choices. So we can say that by fundamental principle of counting, we can say this is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 cube, which is 64. And this is also based on the formula, that is n to the power of r, the number of permutations of n different things taken r at a time, when each thing can be repeated any number of times. So here the number of ways, the number of permutations of four different things taken are at a time. Here 4 different things are there, 4 different pockets are there. Taken any number of marbles, taken 3 marbles at a time is nothing but 4 to the power of 3, that is 64. Okay, now let's see another example.